Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. It's been a while, but we're back and we're coming at you with a wig install. I know so many people been asking me to keep installing wigs on YouTube, so here we are. Okay, we're coming with Wiggins. Okay, Wiggins is the hair today, and I'm actually obsessing right now. We got the undetectable HD lace, and I'm here for that. Okay, 24 inches. We got a scarf, a band, some lashes, a little brush, and some really nice wig caps. So this is how we coming straight out the box. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What a minute, they curled this? No, that's crazy. That's crazy that these curls is this popping. I ain't gonna lie. The hair feels nice too. The hair feels really good. I've actually worked with Wiggins years ago when I was really doing a lot of hair reviews, testing out different brands, and Wiggins was good back then. So the fact that like this is a come up, like, do you see this? Look at that hairline. The knots are bleached and everything. Okay, I will say this is a really good beginner wig, dude. This is a really great beginner wig because you don't have to bleach or pluck nothing. You ain't even gotta curl your own hair, which I'm into that. No Philly, wow. First, let's cut these ear tabs up at an angle. We're literally tracing around our ears. You can just keep lifting up just to make sure you're not overcutting. We're going all the way around our ears. And to make sure that these are even on both sides, I would say first, make sure your middle part is actually in the middle of your head, then start to cut. So that your ears aren't lopsided, or your middle part is lopsided, you know? Want it all to match. That's how much we cut out. This is a size small, I believe. Yeah, it says on the bag a size small cap. I have a tiny head, y'all, so like seriously. So if you have like a 21 or under circumference, I definitely say go for small. See that? That should tuck perfectly. Even if I pull out some baby hairs, it still should tuck perfectly behind the ear. That it does. Alcohol, just to make sure the area is dry. It'll be easier when you remove it later. Gotta make sure she's in the middle of my head. Adding on our band. Ooh, I love when they're thick like this. Big tooth comb. Try to comb out this hair some. See what these curls is looking like. I don't have to curl my own hair. Like, do y'all know how lit that is? Oh my gosh, they did really good. They did pretty good on these curls. I'm not gonna lie. Not bad. A little freshen up. And we there, honey. Yeah. Eat it up. Eat it up, Wiggins. Eat it up. We go section by section. We just press the root of the hair flat. And using the back of the comb is where the heat is trapped. Bro, these wig brands are not playing no more. Like, huh? Using a razor, I'm gonna cut her up. The razor just gives you a nice jagged edge so you don't have a straight hairline, which is what you want to avoid because hairlines aren't straight, thankfully. Make sure you go around your hairline. of the areas that you missed. So like if you can pull back on your hair like this and your lace lifts anywhere, that just shows where you need to add a little bit more glue to just reinforce it. I don't like doing this just because it kind of just shows me like, okay, this is where you need to put extra adhesive. Making sure it's nice and flat. Once you put the band down on this, the wig ain't going nowhere, okay? Gonna try to match them. Sideburns. Got our baby hairs out. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna spray our melting spray inside and around. Okay, we're gonna go back in here. Our band. I'm gonna reapply some of these curls just for an even bouncier look. Here is the final look of the hair. As you can see, I mean, what are we really talking about? The fact that this wig came like this is crazy. I'm obsessed, honestly. Like, these wig companies are going crazy because, like, bruh, look at that. She's eating it up. She's eating up. The hair is super soft. It's really pretty. I honestly want to straighten it, see what she look like straight. Volume. It's about right here to me. That's nice. The edges. The lace. The lace, are you kidding me? If you want to see how I did this look, it was on live. They chose my makeup, which is why it's like 2 different eyes and stuff, and I was here for it. So I go live on TikTok every Friday. If you want to join to see us choose some makeup, y'all can help me choose my makeup. But the hair, everybody on live was shook, and I'm kind of like shook right now too, because like the baby hairs, I'm obsessed. Thank y'all for watching again. I had so much fun coming back to my roots, having fun and just doing a cute install. Make sure y'all check out Wiggins hair if you're loving this wig like I am. No, low maintenance, basically just having to glue it on your head. I'm into that because that's the type of wigs I be wearing. Love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.